Welcome, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'm going to show you how to use Camera Pro mode. So first of all, to open Pro mode, you have to go for the More modes and select Pro. Right now we can find parameters right here and also right here. Let's focus on this one. At the first, we can adjust white balance. To do this, move the slider up and down. That's the manual adjustment, and by tapping right here, you can do this automatically. Next parameter, it's called exposure compensation. Right here, we can adjust this parameter only manually. As you can see, there is no this button to automatic adjustment. Next, we can switch for the ISO, and right here we can do this also manually by moving this slider and automatically by clicking on this button. When you go right here, we can select matrix metering, here we can change aspect ratio and also enable shutter delay. After the countdown, the photo will be taken. And that's all. As you can see, that's how the Pro mode looks on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.